It's your boy, Lance, always geek. Today, as you can see, it's raining and shit, bro. So you know what that means? Cutting up on wet roads, POV drive, in Smokia, man. In Smokia. Let's do it. It's raining. Cold start first, though, in the rain. But alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get in the car. It's raining like fuck. Alright, y'all, we back in the car. I had to run, get in the car and shit. But, yeah, man, we finna do a little POV drive with E. Traction off. We just finna cruise, man. We finna go get something to eat.
No music.
No.
That sucks. Man, let's do it on headphones. Be careful now, your car's not even fully warmed up.
Why did you say so?
I'm sorry. I keep forgetting.
It is warmed up.
Not completely.
We sliding that bitch in the rain.
You still got my phones
Yeah.
with the charger. Oh, cool. Thank you.
A zoo? Yes. Why would I open a zoo?
Because I want to open a zoo.
We finna slide right here. Oh shit. Starting second. It's not breaking loose. What you watching? I wish I had paddle shifters, y'all. It'd be so much easier to shift gears. I'm gonna get some though. I'm definitely gonna get some. Look, Mitsubishi Outlander. You missed it. You missed the Mitsubishi. They just bought it. They still had the sticker on the fucking front. I might pull up at work and see if I can well, no, there's no point in detailing my car right now. I need pause y'all real quick. I'm gonna put y'all on my holder. So I told y'all I was gonna put y'all on the stick with the help of E. But yeah, man, right now we on the way to Publix. We going to get something to eat. We're going to get some food. But I'm trying to get some slides for y'all, but I know for a fact if I was to go to the pit and slide, it would definitely work. We might go to the pit. Woo! I got the wheel. We just hydroplaned bad as fuck. That was I didn't have no traction. My car was just sliding. That's called hydroplane.
Is it hydroplane when you actually go spin on a
No,
circle and
that's crashing. Hydroplaning is where you lose traction and you can't turn, you can't do nothing. Your car's just going straight.
go off road? Did we pass the trash can?
No. Put that bitch in drive for right now. Because these roads are terrible. I am going to slide somewhere. I just don't know where. I want to go to the pit and slide that bitch one time in the rain. And then get the fuck on. Because I don't think no cops would be sitting there. It's raining.
No, sometimes they would.
They got their hazards on. Y'all niggas can't drive. Yo, should I get paddle shifters? It'll make shifting so much easier. I could downshift, upshift, you know what I'm saying? Fucking air's on, I'm freezing.
Feels great.
It feels cold. We might slide this corner. Not on purpose, but I'm gonna hit it in turn. Ooh, it's slug. Everybody got their fucking hazards on like they can't drive, bro. So, y'all niggas should know how to drive, gang. These motherfuckers going slow as shit. Watch me hit this gap. Watch me hit the gap. Look, I'm a downshift next to this. Cutting up in the rain, man. Them niggas scary as hell, cuz. Them niggas can't cut up. In the rain with it, traction off. Where's Publix at? I forgot where Publix is at.
Publix.
No, it's over there. So okay. Cause I was like, why am I going this way?
You go
Publix ain't over here, but it is though. We back in drive. We definitely might go to the pit. I ain't even gonna lie. Spin that shit one time. I ain't gonna lie. Or we'll go to Mexico. We'll go to Mexico and spin. I can't say where we're going. We're gonna slide right here too.
Are we gonna get gas?
Yeah, with the gas card.
Cool. I wanna get one.
Circle K is not where we're going though.
There's multiple.
Is there Friendlies?
Yes. In a perimeter.
That truck needs to stay behind me. Cause I'm fixing to cut this corner hard. With all these fucking cars out here too. No, I'm not. They're going slow as shit. Y'all hear the fucking car? Oh, I'm sorry. We'll just keep mine down. They got a race car over there, y'all. Let me go point one on these fuck niggas. Yeah, man, this is my first time actually cutting up, doing the POV in the rain. Like, yeah. It's a ugly, gloomy ass day, but you know, I had to make the best of it. Finna slide right here, y'all. Man, y'all gotta go. Y'all niggas is poop. Drive this bitch like you're supposed to drive. Oh, I could really slide. I'm gonna slide right here. Felt that shit break loose? Come on, slow bitches. Come on. Don't look at me with the fucking camera in my hand. it to Publix. Now we gotta find a parking spot. Look at all these people parking on the side of the road. Cause they don't want to get wet.
No.
Oh, scary ass niggas. Hmm? I'm not. We're gonna back my shit in too. Cause I'm just a car guy. And that's what we do. Alright, y'all. We're finna go into Publix. I'll catch y'all when we get out, and then we'll do a food review, and then we're back to cutting up. Before going, y'all, we just left Publix, you know. We just got our sandwiches. You can see.
Right there.
Traction is off. It's really not raining anymore, but the roads are still wet. So, I'm gonna give y'all that, what y'all want, man. Cutting up on wet dirt roads in my straight pipe V6 Charger. Slide at. I think I'm gonna slide right here. I think I'm gonna slide my shit right here. I told you I was gonna slide. Thought I was playing. Donut at a 4-way down here.
Are you still going to Friendly's? Or?
Yeah, we're going to Friendly's in the H. They sold that bitch yesterday. Yup, that's the one I cleaned yesterday. That crazy as fuck. I cleaned that car yesterday. So what? What?
I said I am annoyed.
Why?
Because I don't want to talk about it on camera.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting some paddle shifters. That way I can just, yeah, without having to switch.
They can't get money back with the way you
How much money do you get back?
Why would you stop completely?
That bitch popped without me being in manual. That was crazy. But nah, if ain't nobody coming, I wanna swing this fucking corner. Huh?
It's like 18.
18? 18 what? That you get back. That's if you pay for your phone. For your phone.
I just need a picture receipt. Stop doing
Huh?
it. Stop doing it.
Doing what?
When I tell you about something that, oh, you can't do that. You gotta use your phone.
I ain't gonna lie, we in Mexico now, so shit. I just went tired. That didn't went like that. It's wet. You're not gonna see the smoke.
I didn't say anything about smoke.
I went like this. They seen the back of the car. I want to do a fucking donut right here at this intersection, but you know we got cop that stay right there.
They can't do that.
They definitely can. It's called reckless driving.
They can get you, but they physically can't come after you. They have to call somebody else to come get you.
Alright, y'all. I would say okay though. I hit the rev limiter, that's why that shit died down. I hit the rev limiter and it wouldn't let me rev no more. But soon, I won't have a rev limiter, so I can bounce the fucking the needle off the rev limiter. But we had to get the fuck on, boy. It ain't gonna be a long ass video, it's just...
You just went from neutral.
I know. I was gonna do a little rev.
You need to be careful.
Chill, I know what I'm doing.
No, you did
Yes,
not.
I do. I knew what I was doing.
Stop telling me to fucking chill. Fucking turn that shit off.
Yeah, swing that shit. Fuck on, boy. Nigga gotta get the fuck on. If I went to the pit, oh my god, it would have been so fun. Next time it rains, I'm gonna give y'all that pit content. And when we get the drift tune, oh my god. It'll make it where I'm drifting bad. Oh my god, the dirt road's closed. Truck in front of me. Damn. Can't see nothing. We got someone just sitting on the side of the fucking road. Jag. Alright. Y'all wait for these people to pass. were super, super wet, it would have, like that one day we were going to Bigfoot and that bitch kicked sideways. If it would have been like that, boy, shit. But yeah, next time it rains, drop in the comment if y'all want me to go to the pit and swing my shit while it's raining. Let me know, cause I will. But yeah, we chilling. Just did a little shit. There's helicopters out, so I can't be doing too much. You know what I'm saying? Look. That shit was tough. But I can't be doing too much. But we finna park up at the school. I'm finna get my thumbnail. And then I'm going to the crib on y'all ass. And I'm gonna edit, and this video will drop probably 7:30 tonight. I'm gonna drop it. So stay tuned, and like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get geeked. Yeah.